Hey, this is Zen the Crypto Queen, and just wanted to say hi. Sorry I haven't been making videos lately. Actually, I have them. They're ready to be uploaded. They will be uploaded in the next couple days, as will this one. So, hey, here we are. I had a question come at me the other day about airdrops and crypto, and I just wanted to address that really quick because there's so much scamming going on out there that I really want to make sure that you protect yourself. For me, I don't want to insult anyone. It feels like common sense. Would you give the code away to your crypto? I don't think so. See, here's the issue for me. If you want to give me XRP, that's cool, but I better know you. And that's all there is to that. I love this. Go ahead and participate in token airdrops. They're perfectly legal. Now, that being said, I would say, I have an Exodus wallet. There's a few wallets where you can participate. If it's a whole new token, like let's say the Flare token, which they were supposed to airdrop, what did it take them 2 years to do that? If you owned XRP before a particular date, you got the Flare airdrop, and I don't know, for people who received it, I don't think I participated, mostly because of security issues with giving out addresses. I'm sorry, no. So, you know what? If you go into Exodus or anywhere else and you want to participate and you're willing to give away your XRP address to someone unknown who might look like this dude or somewhere else, or someone else similar, go ahead. But I would say I would do a token airdrop only if it were a completely new coin to me. I could make pop in the new address that you get in the back office over at a place like Exodus. When you hit receive, it pops up a crypto address for that token. So let's say I don't own Solo. Okay, let's say they're doing a Solo airdrop, SOLO. I could go into Exodus, hit receive Solo. It would generate an address for me. I could send that to someone. That I would feel comfortable with. I don't own any Solo. I'm only expecting an airdrop. Here's the address. Cool. Bye. But seeing how I keep some XRP, a few other tokens on my Exodus wallet online, not much, just enough to maybe trade a little bit here and there. And I keep a little bit on Uphold as well. I would not send my personal XRP address, not to anyone. And call me paranoid. I just don't want to have anybody get scammed. So that's my wrap for today. If you want to participate in airdrops, that's cool. They are perfectly legal. Here is the Solo airdrop thing. I don't know. I don't have enough trust in people. I trust online wallets. I trust the people who create such things, because they're mechanisms that are in place. But if you're sending it to someone along with personal details and waiting for kind of a support ticket that says, okay, we got your stuff, your airdrop should be there in X amount of days. I've read reports where sometimes people receive 50% of it and don't receive the other 50%. I've heard that, and that's kind of fine. But then your XRP address is out there somewhere. I don't know. Call me paranoid. Like I said, no, I'm not doing it. I don't need anybody's free stuff. If I want XRP or any other cryptocurrency, I'll just buy it. But a lot of people were waiting on this Flare thing for so long, and it was met the deadline of December 12th, 2020, right? And when did people start receiving it? I think it was it February of 2023? Let me know in the comments if you know. I don't even know because I did not participate. Like I said, you know what? Turning down free tokens. If Flare becomes something, I will just buy it. That's how I feel about it. So anyway, for those of you who are out looking at airdrops and wondering what should I do, just always keep in mind that there's always somebody, no matter what's happening out there in the world, there's always somebody using it for evil. So that's just, it's not to be paranoid again, but maybe I am a little bit, because I like to guard what's mine. And so I'm not going to participate in something that requires me to give away personal details, and especially a specific address to any of my crypto to someone that I do not know at all. I'm not going to participate. I'd rather go without. So it's up to you. Please do your own research on everything. I see still there are people in my comments section who talk about, such and such over on Telegram. I've invested with them. They've tripled and doubled my money in 4 weeks, blah, blah, blah. I'm so happy since I met. And your tip-off is, they always call them Miss So-and-so or Mrs. So-and-so or Mr. So-and-so. Please do your research, okay, before you participate in anything like that. Also, this is not financial advice. I simply share what I do and how I approach things, and I hope it's helpful to you. If you would like to have a one-on-one conversation with me, you could always email me at zendevin, that's ZENDEVIN @gmail.com. Please put crypto in all uppercase letters, just that one word, please, and all in uppercase letters, so that I see your specific email. I get a lot of email and I don't want to miss it. So that's how you would get in touch with me, okay? Stay safe out there, and I love you all, and thanks for being with me right now, and I'll catch you on the next video. Ciao for now.